Here's how to add back button in iPhone. So I'm going to open in my iPhone settings app and let's go to general. And now to go back from this page, I have to swipe just like so. Now in iPhone here is no option to add back button, but we can go back to home page using Assistive Touch. And here's how to enable Assistive Touch. Go to your iPhone settings app and tap on accessibility. Here tap on touch and tap on Assistive Touch. Enable Assistive Touch, and here you will find this Assistive Access Touch. Now tap on single tap, and here you have to select home. And now let's tap on this assistive icon, and here we can see in single tap I've directly jumped into my iPhone home screen. So that's how you can actually add back button. Thanks for watching.